This is the Storch. It's a German-built airplane back in World War II. This is the one they utilized to save Mussolini, Benito Mussolini. It's a beautiful airplane, but it's very hard to keep it in frame on my telephone. Some time ago, actually a few moments ago, I saw the B-17 flying. But now he's doing a downwind for a runway. I'm gonna see if I can walk so I can keep it in frame. Oh no, I'm gonna lose it. Right there. Maybe I can catch it on a landing, on the final. Let's see. It is a very unusual airplane. It has some long landing gears. It's so ugly that it is beautiful. Well, I'm going to lose it behind the building. Maybe he can come here. I can film much better.